Here's how to check if your router's DHCP is on or off. So the first thing that you're going to do is to log into your TP-Link account or any network browser that you have, and then afterwards you'll be able to redirect to the main settings. Now go ahead and navigate yourself to the advanced options that you can see at the very top of the main dashboard. After going to the advanced settings, navigate yourself to the network options and you will be able to see there a details about the network or the router device that you have. Now afterwards, you can now go ahead and go to the main dashboard and click on the network settings, where you will see there the settings under the DHCP server. So as you can see, it is still turned off because enable DHCP server is on the end.